is the end of the train. My battery's at 5%, so I didn't film the train. Besides, it's a really long train. If you go to Train Boy's channel, he filmed the entire train. And this train's really long. At 16 minutes and 30 seconds into the video, I mentioned how long it is. The last unit is smoking. Whoa. Oh yeah. Here they come. It's both units. Both. There you go. I think the SC40-2 in Peak Park. I didn't film it much, but I didn't actually film it because this phone had to be charged. But it was pretty loud. Oh. Oh, I thought this was a CP rail. At least it's Canadian Pacific. Whoa, it is an older logo.